Afitrachi uswa Shewanu asemuye Sobrano swaye bribie wawa Lusudi unkomo Ebweni antoye
Free nechi ebete wa se uni ade o se hwe na so no be yu sanka one na
Nyankopon hira we ni nsema bia na me pesa me sister meka in fact mintimi nka bebre sabade metima kan say said na me tie o ma na tamba house of faith no house of faith me the resignation letter ko abepem ne kro man so from ne ye adwa me de makoma nyina ne me wure nyina di na chi in fact edrumre bi no no say me feel ho nyesa ma bebu nyesa kwa matwem ho fi Nyankopon anyesa bia wakotu nuro ontu nuro anasa bia akobo adwaman but no say situation not bia be aduna no say me feel ho but na me dene pa say me sa kwa shu bia se bi because say me timi de me wure ne makoma nyina di na chi I sacrifice my life to the level set to the wukra na so de be nyina nka bepe itam pese bia be say disappoint you and sha no maka so nyame ni bara se mato bible na twe no say betina se for some months
na won fa sorry
na me share down ko na me visit me old church in the house of faith still how many age say me ba but na disappointment waiting no say me start to be big kakra say the be ya ba mu ko say na me say je papa ni dia e ja asora me wom e di na chi twa asora no so for years and then me page asora no duru ye no say me an kasa mo ho sisi a me kwasem me say me ka hinta say me nyi nipa bia ni wasase so di se bia me yere nkwane nipa me gini di kakra eni kakra me gini di tesa me okay me gini di nya kakra one day me gini di won timi disappoint me there won timi susu ono nkwane nipa me gini me nyi nipa bia me nyi nipa bia me si me nyi nipa bia enipa bia apart from me awo tina me chibra edini musa be pemene
no you're a wall pal
Sma ga just na Nyankopon hye da me na tenache pa aboa me nsana oba bia tie dia okay kebeboa me ma ka warja ekura so bi ni ma wiase nka asofo nso a o mo nka no kura nso ma wiase one thing I'm going to say most part asofo no bebre no because of how o mo yire no mo de how o mo ti no ana o mo ye sebi de ma o mo ye e wo pulpit so esisie sikaje basa because the year of free lazy there e china no free we just say dem bebe I know because I know some medical kind my teacher Bible school there
okay
teacher theological school there Shiloh Bible College for about 9 years Tanoso, one of the most powerful Bible schools and experience amenya most at times some form here na bebre na about 90% if you are because what they want to please them or poba no nko a wasane lace aso no so say sit here sir oh did they also pump onyesika na what here it oboa me re dem ka so oboa me pa and those demands now that didn't say anything good minimum die bia you start from kura bere mu ntia wo
and I said
achapa almost 3 decades
wow
almost 3 decades achapa between your boss and bia now so your be ma say bia bebo sure
enti na also child your Bible school and sana Oko Bible school kaka o yesofo no na obekira ade.
Me wie so Bible school.
Asa na obete wa sorry ana say.
Good. Me wie Bible school no. After 1.5 years me friend say me bekira ade. That time na me osofo a me free in chance na me betina so no che. And me asa na me be kwa kira ade akura. So I be papa. Though I was older than him, na me nyini che no. Manemu. Ba hongu mo die o me papa. Hongu do nyini che. To be born amaliye mani bisa me sika maji wo hɔ ne ade na sika de yɛnka nkyerɛ me but me dey akwanya no kura ntim me pɛ say me impact the lives of people yes ntino me ko kyerɛ ade me ka kyerɛ no ma me kwa
se waja de kyerɛ na na
me ja de kyerɛ be say 2 years
denti na ma wo ja de kyerɛ
oh ade ma me ja ade me no sɛ Nyankopɔn akwa me ntimi nka no bebrebe do na ma ko so say me ja but your friend is saying terminating work. Okay. Nyame nko a me ne me colleagues a ne akira de at the same time.
School authorities in that friend.
Ntino. De metima kan.
Adamu ye boni bi wo ha na se bi.
Ya nye boni bi ya. Akopon kra no say ya ne bi. But me da me hunu ne say eyo Nyankopon akwan. Because na me madwiri mu ankasa no. Na me pese me jai. A concentrate a focus on ministry good now imagine best 6 months now 1 year before that but when me first one me from ned consider papa ni si pema sem na ne ma se dey si koso no on Nyankopon so fa no anso ka chere me she me fa me na de bu nti me hu se Nyankopon akwa me nim de me nuanu maka no aboa me soso aboa me pa
si yeset waso papa mkacho ngo fo bebre susu se we ye sofo that means say we Christo ni automatically we Christo ni uji di say sa asemi no kre say sofo bia se de tie bia we sofo de we say udi kan ye Christo ni ansa na wa ba certain level bi aba ba ye sofo no de na okafa no
the metima can say no kwasem said the okan say we betima ye sofo dia or say we sachira wadwen ye Christiani etenya Nyankopon fie for many years near titil ansan no ba ye sofo na obia dwene say so obia wa ye sofo bia ye obia wa sachira and the wrong the nya no kwanso no me pesa me kan Bible kakra bi ne ye de hwade 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14 I want to read this because I don't know so bet my kan twi na mama bro for na me kan where New King James version 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14 I'm taking the reading I say and no wonder, for Satan himself transforms himself into an angel of light. Therefore, it is no great thing if the ministers also transform themselves into ministers of righteousness, whose end will be according to their works. What I
say nenya wanwa efri say Satan no ampo dane no se han bo
Satan no kura timi dane no se han bo fo na che sofo no onye
enti se na somafo so dane wan ho ye se tinenne asomfo
enti won ma Satan asoma wo mo soso e dane wo mo ho se tinenne asomafo se asofofo a
enya de won
ma
na ebewie won se de
wonyuma se ne sitie ne bewie wo enti obi betima twe Bible so e sofo ampa ofre de ya frɛ no but as to say why the frɛ no Onyankopon na frɛ no ana sɛ Satan na frɛ no so the callings are two and to obi a was so e sofo bia te frɛ but as to say Nyankopon na frɛ no ana sɛ Satan na frɛ no was Satan na nkasa tim da no ha bofo enti enya nwanwa sɛ na somafo no so ba ye ahatene lefo a na emomo mu nyuma na ba kyerɛ mo wiye enti obi so ye sofo a hwɛ no nyuma na hwɛ sɛ Nyankopon na afrɛ no so as to say we begin to say obi a we nyame adwuma bia so ye sofo bia ya frɛ no but man na frɛ no bonsam ana frɛ so mail agent entwi nipa enfom ko wu ana so Nyankopon enti asofo no ye mu mienu Nyankopon de ana bonsam die
si ma be yo Kristo ni beden me hu se bia makoba bi ma asori amekoni bi ni ho na me kowura asori bi beden me hu se sofu we nyame na afre na na se we enye nyame na afre
na kopon hira pa se o kan ka tro se de ka wo mo anuma ebe kire wo mo wieye no kwasem se so hwe bible a ya no mo kan ba bi Yesu bronkofo wo twe ba ne de e no kure wo twe ba Kristo wo twe ba ne bufu twe ba unu ma de oye unu ba bi wo twe ba wo twe aba no e wo asori fi unu ma de ya no mo ye they were marketing no mo didwa enti ukọ ba bi a asori ye didwa wo ye ton ye ma bia bi e bia no afri nyakopo. And I will say it, and I will say it, and I will continue to say it. So yes, it's off me. So President Omeyu. In fact, me sending a message. No, here Mama Kakra. So for bia we did job bia krofo. And not na Christo chia ba. So when timi ka say we nyantu pa so wura sori bi mu a. Si etimi di dwa ansa na be ka nyame asem free Yakobon Christ so di dwa. Peter ne Paul ne asuafo ne kire ye Bible ye ni dwa. But wait, it is not from God. And until na Christ a chain about it, to baby. As a for our call a bin ho. Nessa who raho to way and son are your way. Yanko pass some quality to be set here free according to John 17:17. Your word is true. Sir, what's some no kwa and a yes, you to be very set here free. Apart from that, so cotton could be asra. Na pamu bibi ukwawi bibi na pamu bibi die in fact how's that Rebecca say yampuri pa cheo yampuri twe ho kakra enti sanity enti no ana abehunu difference a home good that is how it is
busia we dey say mo amate ka ko ye dino kokoanu mo amate dey sofu panyin yakan ti wo ko rasa men ka se me dey na menim se o free nyame
na Bible okita Bible na sima na me perspective kura okita Bible ma hu kwa kubu san so TV so da what the Bible na koye akoto asore ni enu tira free Yakobon ana so the callings are two how say the city no wo betam Bible Satan kura ko tu Bible wan ko tu no kwa wo sia Kristo Yesu Kristo no need the word wo Yesu bonam the word ni bi na sa the born. Oh yes. So the fact that somebody is holding the scriptures and qualified say, na ko pa frem. Ni nyuma se ni nyuma o nyuma na be kire ba bi omoko. Now Yesu Kristo ni pa bebre ko ne kire. John chapter 3 Nicodemus ko ne kire wa anyi disika. Adenti no ase ni pa ba be ho o tuesika fine. Wo ko hu sofu bi na so wo sika dia. Wo che ni bia eye. No wa bless you. But as to say this what you say as an open the fastest, the sharpest, the just what can say me and here. So who come here? What's only be there? Who do what? No have you man, no watch your home. What you want in here? Who free what? Is hope you. Good. That is how it is. They are thieves and they are robbers according to Christ's own statement. And because you should be per presidential day. Honestly, you're crop for. I will say it, Miss Way of for, or I'll prove to him. Christ is what Bobby said in our crop for because until what bad poor you don't serve in the house of God. The house of God is supposed to be the house of prayer. Or see a bomb pie, the assembly medipa. You turn your mabbe bray answer. Not just a windy car. Christian, went to marry Sherlock. And in those days, the sun come a woo. Can you hate such that? Go punch up. Into no. Saba penalty.
Say COVID, the president say, "Hena, ya uncle so to me na fear for some months." Then I said, "Impact be na enya wo country leso." And I say, "Individual impact be na enya wo so." Then ka na obetima ka from.
Impact here. Say the core economic side. You see about Kenya because. Enyuma bebre nie ene nema bebre tie de ya ahokyere beba nti de ahokyere bo ne eba na asafo no so de nusa ahokyere no na do so pa the metima ka fa ho nyina 30th May America president statement I will make here and in a week later your president a year or 5 and I have a kakra say omanya this America that time no as a 30th May no nipa 119,000 ewu that kokra that time no mo kokra that nipa 600 800 mi wu wo share say ye bi asori fie ni nyina na asori dan ne asom no eho hia our places of worship are essential was eho hia to the extent say oka say governors no wo mo wasem bia omo be bisa omo a mo bisa sofu bia na wa ma ho kwan amia so ye governor obetu wutimi say wo ye Kristo ni ampa in fact manage entini wifta ya ba na bekasa na me so ba beka mi bisa that time na Ghana ni pa wukura na 70 35 as a 30th May what the restrictions bebre enipa 100 in fact it was an insult to the leaders of this nation. It was an insult. No more did atem did any say and so no be 5,000 e be am dey 500 praise God see no so be 5,000 e be am because space no mram be am for 5,000 mo for 1,000 America dey be any ho but the people were dying as now banning to say nyankopon kwa na betima bo because ye ka hospital or modern hospitals no mo be enuro researchers pharmacists doctors ye bisa any hospitals but omro kura ti say nyankopon ko na betima bo but ye na mpanifo ye nyame animu ni me wura hoye me di wo ya nsoso pa but ye metima kan no asidan ko nyankopon ye so say o ma ye 2 hours minim ye de be ye ba nim say nyankopon be bo ye minim so ma dwene be sesa o ma nyankopon bo ye
still na 2 hours na so man on for we so say on for bin kan
na so obi a ko me bay obi a ko aduma ta mo pa mo ba na 2 hours o dey man 1 hour VIP bus to kuro na ho ana say condition see yare so na mo fra me wo mo tina mo free here ko bolga tamale Accra 6 hours 8 hours na dey so obi atiti there be none in the area them from house 2 hours. Now 6 hours, 8 hours, no partner say. You see, a disappointment. But the mentor and said, one day you are so many years. We can't begrudge them. No money you pass off for baby as well. The gentleman woman. Because we are called matter of pen banana. Time of people one open. Omo bank. Omo account apart from Nkra. School 7 year the identity. Meaning baby a restriction in there. And American president can say the society boom a religion. The team many pay united a sorry. Na no so here into ma ho kan say omo de omo nkojo juma. No ni say oji Nyankopon de enti enipa effort woman knowledge ni wisdom ni bibia ntimi covid na wonu se Nyankopon beboa na minim se Ghana ban so be dia tumi sa dia se so agine doctors ne hospitals papa na wa ha ni didia ye jama no ene o mpanimfo nti na metima kan no
okay our papa show a futu bi say bi a what do a situation in life will be too for one fa wa regret say aka onyanka o sabe ko back no akwa peke self futu na dia ye adwuma o bibisa
futu de bebre me papa tumi fo pa asa no manfa
ebi ne self futu
just
practical example
de metima ka kire ni pa nyina ne se e fa me papa de ho ne de me de betwa to nyina se me nim sa kwa wo dia Kristo Yesu ono ne nokore fa so be so e nkwa Beautiful Bible. Okay, Nyankopon Israel. Kristo Yesu kwa awa brabom. Nokure. Okwan ene nkwa. Se wujana wahwera nyina. the meeting they try to any nipa bia wo tie me ne say yɛmfa Kristo sɛ yɛ kra agye nkwa yɛntena ne nase yɛnhyɛ kyerɛ yɛ adwene ne de Bible ne ka n'akyi na ɛmmoa yɛ na mmom yɛnkɔ asɔre a yɛkyerɛkyerɛ Nyankopɔn asɛm ɛma yɛte aseɛ a yɛtumi bɔ mpaeɛ Nyankopɔn hyira Nyankopɔn hyira
Ebusia sɛdeɛ papa esi aka no ɔsɛ yɛmfa Yesu sɛ yɛkra agye nkwa na no nko a ne betumi aboa okodi emfo wani ntu nipa so na emfo wani nkoto obosom so na emum fo ani to Nyankopɔn nko aso na ye de dwumade yi bewie me a me de dwumade mu chia me ye frɛ me mame abna safo a ne yesa ka mo biem sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo so dwumekɔ ɔmo so yasene ame de dwumade yi brɛ mo pastor's wife mo fashion obehu ɔmo wɔ Tano Supuma filling station opposite University of Education Winneba. Now person from Monso from one number way so 0546 802 777. Shiameha memeda a edi enimi edamasa.
Fitrachi uswa Shewanu asemuye Sobrano swaye bribie wawa Lusudi unkomo Ebweni anto ye iwama Etifinya na fose wanimuwa Eya disyandye Estresse obra yokuba Beja weni Shenyame Oyonu kwafo Asetrachi uswa Shewanu asemuye Sobrano swaye bribie wawa Susudi unkomo Ebweni anto ye iwama